I'm going to show you how I welded this Dragonfly Forever Bracelet using the Orion Micro Welder, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you where I had purchased my Micro Welder. So my daughter enjoyed her bracelet so much, she's back for another one, and this time she wants some dragonflies. So we're going to do a little connector. I'm going to show you how I do it while I'm doing it. Okay, so I have, first I connect with a jump ring already on this side, and I am going to show you, make sure that the seam here is done properly, touching both sides. So I am going to move this to 5 watts. Oops. Don't want that, don't want 10. I'm gonna try 5 watts. I'm gonna press play. And I've got it clipped. And I'm going to do this. There we go. I don't know if you can see. This is soldered on this side, welded already on this side. And as I've said before, you can use an eraser to remove the fire scale. And if it requires a bit more, you can file it down, but you use any sort of new eraser, you can do that. Okay, so now I'm ready, and my daughter wants this dragonfly. So I'm gonna measure out the other side, and then do this, like that. And I'm gonna measure. Okay, do you want it loose or tight? Around there?
Loose.
Loose? You want it looser? Like this?
Perfect.
Maybe. Okay. So I'm just gonna clip it here. If you're using large rings, then you want to make sure that you accommodate for, make sure that the dragonfly, the chain is not twisted. And always use 2 pairs of pliers to put the jump ring together. And both sides have to, really important not to rush this part. So that both sides are touching. And now I'm going to put this piece of leather back in. I'm going to clip my alligator clip on one side. There we go. And that was a success. And I'm going to polish that a bit. Let's see. There we go. And I'm going to take a close-up. And this is the finished Forever Bracelet with the Dragonfly connector. I have added a link below where you can purchase the same Micro Welder by Orion and other models. Just to let you know, I get 8% commission off of your purchase if you purchase online within 48 hours of clicking. So you can browse and re-click. And with that commission, and if you let me know that you've done that, I can give you that full credit towards the wholesale of the components that you can purchase from me, and my link is below as well.